the inventor of the refractometer, was a genius. Refraction of light can be used to measure the concentration of liquids, the freezing point of antifreeze, the sugar content of grape juice, and the salinity of seawater. Depending on the solution being measured, there are different units on the dial. Let's disassemble the refractometer and see what's inside. At the front is the refractometer. The prism serves as the core component for optical refraction. Above the prism you'll find the pressure cover. Next to the pressure cover is the zero adjustment, which ensures the accuracy of measurements before use. The thin disc you see is the dial. Behind the dial there are two convex lenses for observing values. The distance between these convex lenses can be adjusted, making it more convenient for viewing. All these components are securely fixed together by the outer shell. Now pay attention, it's time to start measuring. Before using the refractometer, drop distilled water onto the prism to observe the resin. Adjust the zero using the adjustment screw. Then place the liquid to be measured on the prism's surface, and press it with the pressure cover to ensure even distribution and measurement accuracy. Light is refracted onto the dial through the liquid prism, and your eyes observe it through the convex lens at the back. You can rotate the back seat to adjust the distance between the two convex lenses, finding the best observation position. On the dial you'll notice a dividing line between light and dark areas. This line represents the value to be measured. Like and follow for more informative